Okay, everybody, I just want to let you know that I am new at this, so please be kind with your words in the comments. I will get better as I vlog more. Okay? God bless. Hello, everybody. I want to do a video of the yard to show you after the snowstorm. Then I'll shovel. Wow. The guy already plowed. He always does a great job. Look at those. Okay, let's go down this way. Down the stairs. Wow, that's a lot of snow. I want to show you something over here. That's why I want to do this. Oh, it's not down. Those branches was touched in the ground. Yeah. See, those are touching the blueberry bushes. Those are all the way down. Right there. Let's show you over here. See if I can touch it. Sorry, I'm on my iPhone. I don't have a video camera. Oh! See? That's okay. It's only snow. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is a bush. I thought a tree fell. Look at the branch right there. I'm not going to go over there because then my brother will see. He probably won't like it. That was a flagpole. See it? Right there. The wood right there. That was first a huge tree. Then they had to get rid of it. Then it was, not a real one, but, a well. I believe they're going to get a new one. So, see? Isn't that cool, though? Here's over there. All those branches are so weighed way down. I'm afraid they might break. Whoa. That one lifted up. Okay, let's go on the other side. Yeah. Hold on, I'm going to stop it and then I'll continue when I get there. I'm getting snow hitting me. One of them hurt. I'll probably still clean this up. I don't want the license plates to show. I'm worried about those hitting the cars. Wow, look at those right there. Look at that. And if you see up there, the sun is trying to come out. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, that's the yard. Oh, wait, hold on. I didn't get you the backyard. Wow, look at that one. Whoa. Snow's coming down. Yeah. That's not even a big, long video. Oh, that's right. I stopped it a couple times. I'm new at this. Any Sasquatches out there? Look at that. I can't even see my next door neighbors. I don't want the... the license plate to show. Yeah, well, that's the yard. Okay. I'm inside now. That snow is very heavy, so everybody watching this, sorry about my hand, as everybody watching this, shovel with caution because the snow is heavy. Okay, I'm going to video what it looks like on the opposite side. Hold on. There you go. There you go. I want the license plate. Yeah. And I shoveled. Man, that was heavy snow. I'm telling you, I didn't do much, but yeah. My brother will do. Hold on, I'll show you that. We'll do between. The cars. Ooh, snow's coming down. I'm telling you, when those chunks of snow comes down, that does hurt. It hit me in the neck earlier. All that snow is from being fall. Okay, guys, bye-bye. I'll be uploading this video very soon. Bye-bye. Okay, there's my video of my yard. And like I said, shovel with caution. This snow is quite heavy. That's why I stopped at the deck. I was going to do everything and surprise everybody, but that's all I can do right now. I can always do the rest later anyway. It's going to get warmer and probably more snow is going to fall, so I might as well wait till later. All right? Everybody, stay safe when you're shoveling. Do it a little bit at a time. Take frequent breaks. I did it all at once, which I should have stopped a few seconds, but I didn't. But that's okay. It's done. Everybody, be kind to one another. Peace. I can't do that. Okay, everybody. You can't see the license plates this time. But that's what my brother did. And he did this. I did not video him doing it because he does not like that. Okay? Now you can see my neighbors. All that snow's all gone. Look at that. Let's zoom in and see what we can see. The screen, that's all you can hear. Hold on. With an iPad, it looks like it's so zoomed in. In another part of my video, it is zoomed in, and I thought I zoomed out, so I'm sorry about that too. And remember, I am new at this. Okay, that's enough for today. I'm going to get this uploaded to iMovie and download everything, and I'll see you later. God bless. I'm going to add some pictures that I drew. You've probably seen them already, but I want to re-show you. Okay? Yes. Remember this from a past vlog recently. Yep. Yep. See. different eyes. The dragon eye. Demon eye. Vampire eye. Green eye. Cool eye. Looks creepy to me. Scary eye. And the normal eye. Which I think that came out the best. Yes. Bear with me while I'm trying to turn these pages. I did not finish this yet, but it's going to be a kitten inside a box. Because I just remembered I did not finish it. Here's another kitten in the box. The eyes are wrong. I'm going to fix the eyes. Because as you can tell, oh, furry. It's not right. They're both slanted in the same way. So I'll have to redo that. Mess up. And here's Sylvester. Top cat. Felix the cat. And I added Tweety Bird. The cage I drew by hand. Meaning I did not follow step by step like I did with all these characters. Yes, that is. I kind of don't even know if I drew another thing. Oh yeah. Jughead. Looks like he is gained weight and a little high. Sorry. That's what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to end this video. I'm going to put it in with my snow video. Alright. Peace.